Hello everyone, I'm Sami Sadawi. I'm a technical manager at La Chance Group. Today we will talk about bile acid in animal nutrition. Bile acid is produced by La Chance Group since more than 10 years ago. Bile acid is a pioneer product produced after a long time of research and investment by our group. If we talk about bile acid is molecule produced by liver, sensed by the liver and stored in gallbladder. First, to start with bile acid, we need to define and to make identification of bile acid. Bile acid mainly sensed in the liver from cholesterol. Cholesterol then converted to 7-alpha hydroxylase and then produced cholic acid and chenodeoxylic acid. Both of them, chenodeoxylic acid and the cholic acid, is combined with taurine and glycine to make bile salt and then to store it in the bile. After eating the food, bile acid is secreted from the bile to small intestine, combined with pancreatic lipase to break out and digest the feed. From this point, we will focus about bile acid sciences, and for the next part, we will talk and discuss about the mechanism of bile acid and how bile acid can assist in fat digestion and also assist in regulating the other nutrient metabolism for carbohydrate and protein, in addition to other function. So from this part, after bile acid secreted from the liver and stored in bile acid, when we eat the food, it started to secrete it in the small intestine, mainly in the duodenum, and to be absorbed in the third part of intestine. It is named ileum. It absorbed via small intestine wall by apical bile acid co-transporter. After that, mostly 95% is returned back to the liver via peripheral circulation or hepatic circulation. About 5% is goes through to the large intestine, where in the large intestine to combined by the action of bacteria located in large intestine to convert it to bile acid salt. How bile acid salt can be made? It's made by this bacteria to convert the primary bile acid. Primary bile acid is cholic acid and chenodeoxylic acid, and the secondary bile acid like lysocholic acid and also the oxalic acid. Some part of them is returned back again to the liver for resecreted and to reused again in the cycle. And a small part is goes through to the large intestine and then secreted in the feces. This is a brief about the bile acid synthesis and secretion. If we go to the next part about bile acid and the fat and how bile acid can make action in fat digestion.